Before buying oxygen absorbers, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many products look identical, but the real difference lies in their effectiveness and safety for food storage. Let's dig into the top options that can truly extend your food's shelf life. Product number 1, LIFJOY 500cc Oxygen Absorbers. First up, we have the LIFJOY 120 packs 500cc food-grade oxygen absorbers. Priced at $13.98, this product caught my eye due to its impressive 4.7-star rating based on 2,700 reviews. If you want to keep your food fresh for the long haul, this is worth a serious look. Each absorber holds 500 milliliters, which is perfect for larger containers like Mylar bags or mason jars. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The oxygen-absorbing technology prevents browning and off flavors, keeping your food tasting just as fresh as the day you stored it. Now, some people complained about the absorbers not working effectively once opened. Here's the thing though, if you're storing large amounts of food, just make sure to reseal the unused packs properly, and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you're serious about long-term food storage or prepping. Skip this one if you're looking for something very small-scale or just storing snacks. For $13.98, you get a solid deal on quality absorbers. Now, if the bulk packaging of LIFJOY's product feels overwhelming, the next option might be just what you need for smaller quantities. Product number 2, Lin's-Kind 100cc Oxygen Absorbers. Next on our list is the Lin's-Kind 110 packs 100cc food-grade oxygen absorbers, retailing at just $6.99. This one also boasts a 4.7-star rating from 2,200 reviews, making it a popular choice. If you're looking for something compact yet effective, this is definitely worth considering. They're perfect for jars or small bags, ensuring that your homemade jerky, nuts, or spices remain fresh and flavorful. The key feature here is the anti-oil film design, which allows you to store oil-based foods without worrying about spoilage. Here's why this matters. If you're planning to store items like nuts that might go rancid, these absorbers have you covered. However, some users noted that they found the packaging a bit difficult to open without spilling the contents everywhere. I get that, but a little care when opening can avoid that frustration. This is perfect for you if you enjoy canning or batch cooking and you often work with smaller quantities. Skip this if you need larger absorbers for extensive food storage. For $6.99, the value is definitely there. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want larger quantities. Product number 3, ZRLEI 400cc Oxygen Absorbers. Moving on, we have the ZRLEI 400cc Oxygen Absorbers, available in packs of 100 for just $8.99. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,600 reviewers, this brand is making waves. If you're looking for a balance of capacity and price, this might be your best bet. What's interesting is that these absorbers are heat-sealed immediately after production, which means they'll maintain their potency until you're ready to use them. Here's why this matters. Having that assurance means you can store your food long-term without worrying about the absorbers losing their effectiveness. One downside reported by some users is that the bags don't shrink as expected after use, which can be a bit misleading. But honestly, as long as the absorbers do their job, I wouldn't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you're planning to store a good amount of dry goods for survival prep. Skip this if you want something smaller for everyday snacks. For $8.99, you're getting a reliable product that won't break the bank. Now, if you're looking for even more capacity, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, Hombao 500cc Oxygen Absorbers. Next up is the Hombao 200 packs 500cc food-grade oxygen absorbers, priced at $20.98. With a consistent 4.7-star rating from 1,100 reviews, it's a strong contender in the market. If you want a large quantity of absorbers, this is worth your consideration. With a 500cc capacity, these are perfect for sealing larger containers, ensuring your grains, spices, and even pet food stay fresh longer. The color-coded packaging makes it easy to store and access, reducing waste. Here's why this is key. Knowing how many absorbers you have left simplifies planning for your next batch of food storage. However, some users mentioned that they found the absorbers less effective in humid environments. I'll be real with you, if you're in a very humid area, that could be a concern, but it shouldn't be a deal breaker as long as you store them properly. This is perfect for you if you are a serious prepper or want to bulk store food. Skip this if you're looking for something specifically for smaller storage needs. For $20.98, you're getting a lot of value for your investment. Now, if you want something with FDA approval, hang tight for the next product. Product number 5. Wallaby 500cc Oxygen Absorbers. Finally, we have the Wallaby 500cc Oxygen Absorbers, which come in a 100-count pack for $23.99. With an impressive 4.7-star rating from 4,000 reviews, this is a trusted choice among users. If you're looking for FDA-approved products, you'll want to pay attention. The 500cc capacity makes them great for a wide range of foods, from cereals to dehydrated items. The zipper closure on the packaging adds convenience, making it easy to store and access them whenever you need. Here's why this matters: that zipper feature helps keep your absorbers organized without risking spoilage. One drawback some users pointed out is the price being on the higher side compared to others. That said, the quality and safety features definitely justify the cost, especially if you prioritize food safety. This is perfect for you if you want peace of mind with FDA-approved options and are stocking up for the long term. Skip this if you're just dabbling in food storage. For $23.99, you're paying for quality and safety. So there you have it. Each of these oxygen absorbers offers unique benefits depending on your storage needs. In summary, if you're looking for a solid all-around option, the LIFJOY absorbers are great for larger storage needs. The lens kind is ideal for smaller batches, while the ZRLEI strikes a nice balance between size and price. The Hombao is perfect for serious preppers, and the Wallaby offers FDA-approved safety. Choose the one that fits your needs best.